everyone, welcome to episode 23 of the PowerPlatform Digital series. My name is Ron, and this week I have a super special guest with me, Mike. Welcome, Mike.
Welcome. Thanks. My name is Mike. I lead our HoloLens and mixed reality business for Canada.
Awesome. So guys, the session that we want to introduce you to this week is super exciting. It's actually called Intelligent Cloud, Intelligent Edge, and Mixed Reality. You might think, what's the relationship between that topic and the Power Platform, but there's actually quite a bit. So we'll tell you about that later, but the first thing, Mike, I thought you could help us understand is I think not everybody is still super clear about sort of mixed reality, virtual reality, augmented reality. Can you help us understand a little bit more, kind of like what's the difference between those three?
Definitely, Ron. It's a common question that I get. So when I think about this category, I actually think about the category as mixed reality. So it's sort of like the toolbox. And when you think about a toolbox, you carry a lot of different tools in it. Those tools are the different types of hardware, potentially, that you use to interact with forms of mixed reality. So those might be mobile phones, tablets, some type of goggles, or even headsets or phones in pieces of cardboard. Those are all different aspects of that spectrum. On the virtual end of the spectrum, it's actually about removing yourself from the physical world. So it's about disconnecting from the physical world and experiencing something completely virtual in nature, something you might not have access to or be able to try because it's unsafe. On the augmented side of the spectrum, it's about enhancing the physical world, so adding digital content to it. And so that might be in a form of a 2D or 3-dimensional object to enhance or kind of converse around and collaborate around something. And that could be through a phone or tablet or through some type of headset like the HoloLens.
Cool, terrific. Thanks, Mike, for that. And everyone, please go check out the session. Until the next one, please let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like us to see cover in the future episodes. So until the next one, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Thanks, Ron.
Thanks.